Ciao. Sì, sì. Grazie, 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 grazie. Hello guys, welcome back to my page. If you're watching from Facebook, thank you for joining. If you're watching from YouTube, thank you for joining. So guys, I got a package. Yeah, we ordered from Shein. Yes, I will be unboxing these things with you all. Yes, to show you all what I got from Shein. Guys, I got a lot of things from Shein. Yeah, I got a lot of things. This bag, I got this bag from Shein. This one is a sticker, wall sticker. I got wall sticker for my kitchen. So these are wall stickers I got for my kitchen. I don't know if I can show you. I want to change the one I have. So this is what it looks like. Wall sticker. So this is what it looks like. I don't want to open everything. So this is what we got. Oh, I pray this thing looks wow. Yes, this is for my swimming, for my summer. I know you guys are not ready for the summer. Yeah, you are not ready. Yeah, I know you guys are not ready. Me, yeah. So this is what I'll be wearing for summer, for swimming pool and all that. I don't want this video to be too long. I quickly want to do this video. Like, this is this one is leggings. Yeah, I need leggings for this summer. I don't want jeans. All my jeans are not fitting anymore. Like, I mean, all my jeans are not fitting anymore. Most of, like, all my jeans, I am not able to zip it. Sometimes if I don't zip my clothes, I normally wear like big polo. So most people will tell me, why don't you zip your this thing and all those things? Sometimes they will tell me that your zip is open. They don't know that this thing did not sign it, but I just want to wear it. I cannot just leave it there because these things are new. So I decided to get this. I'm going to rock it with you all. So I decided to try it, buy some things. So I got this beautiful white dress from Shein. So this is what it looks like. So this is the sticker Shein. Yes, this is another top for summer. See, I buy this kind of top. I end up not wearing them. Because of big tummy. Guys, this dress is so beautiful. Like, it's elastic. And which one is this one? Yeah, this one is jeans. This is not jeans, it's joggers. This rainy joggers. I got this. It's so big. I like it though. I like it because I'm so fat, and you can adjust it here like this. So I like it as it's very big because I don't know whether in the next 2 months I'll be very, very big. So I got a lot of things like this thing. Oh, I got a waist trainer. Like I told you guys before, if you watch my previous video that I did a waist trainer, the one that I have, I don't like it. So I give it to someone. Let's try this waist trainer. Let's try it. I told you guys this is the type that I like. Oh my god, I love this one. I love this one. I don't know if I can wear it with you guys, but if I wear it, I'm going to show you. This is the one I like. I don't like that, the wrappy one. This one you can pin just like bra. So I got this one as well. So guys, I just quickly want to unbox this with you. And I got this short. This short is short. You can use to wear any polo, anything for the summer. And I got this dress. No, not dress. It's a leggings, just like the first one, like the black. This one is the colored one. I buy M because I don't want to wear story that touches. Yeah, I don't want to wear story that touches. Okay, so that's why I buy big. I'll not be buying. Oh, I bought this beautiful cap. So let me wear it. See me. Hey. So that is it. And I got I got this beautiful, let me open. Why? I don't want to scatter it. Oh, I bought this beautiful, very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. I know you cannot wait for me to rock this dress. Very, very beautiful. I love it. From Shein. And I know I got some. I don't know if this thing is finished. I'm sure they did not bring everything. They did not bring everything, but I just want to unbox this one. So this other one is a leggings. I got leggings as well. Yes, I got leggings. This summer is leggings, period. Okay, as you can see, I'm wearing leggings. All my trousers don't enter me again. All my jeans do not enter me again. I got a skipping rope. Yeah, guys, I got a skipping rope. Yes, so that I can use it for my exercise and all that. I got, what did I bought this beautiful turtleneck dress. It's so beautiful. Did you see that? Did you see that? Let me show you this bag. I just love this bag. So portable. You know I love small bag. You know I love small bag. I can use it. If I don't like it again, I'm going to put it in the things I will be taking to Africa. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, unboxing. So guys, hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, let me know in the comment section. Oh, see my bag, very smell and touchable. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. I will see you all on my next video. Bye.